No first.
Kami kung
Nga nagasot sa utsa ka namin, Risa.
may kamot pa, no?
Hamot? Sibi, si
May
Motibe.
send siya.
Si Motibe.
Kamot sa iya.
Hamot.
May mga inughampol.
Kung nasakitan ka, ginigurya ka, makato ka sa managulong.
Is that a sure thing, Joy?
Don't know, ba't nagamit sa mga surhano? Nag-ilusang.
Are you sure if it, Joy?
Ginagamit sa mga surhano, mag-heal sa
Magpamutbot. Sa mga nugbot-bot. You can seldom see this tree, the Bilobitoon tree. It looks like, yes.
my first time to see Bulubito on tree. It's just like, I thought it was just a talisay tree.
Look like Italisa tree.
But the leaves are a bit larger.
We will bring one of the fruits, some of the fruits of Bilobitoon. Do you have any?
Bulubito on tree is a bit larger than the talisay tree and taller.
It's
Bigger
much
and
taller.
The leaves are larger. But they almost look the same.
But why are you interested in Bilobitoon?
Because they said they are using this to heal.
Yes, I know. I have heard that also.
Will we bring this?
Yes. It's for free.
Okay, I will bring this to Bacolod City.